Good morning and welcome back to another video. So today is Sunday. So happy Sunday. I hope your day is off to an amazing start. Guys, I'm so excited. We are in the kitchen. We are about to get ready to decorate for spring 2026 and I could not be more excited. I think the bottom of my home is coming together quite nicely. I'm so happy with the touches of spring that we put out in the entryway and in the living room space. So if you haven't seen those videos, definitely go back and watch those videos to kind of see what vibe we are doing for the space. But I think for the kitchen area, we are going to do light colors in here. I do have a few updates also that I want to talk to you guys about. It is pertaining to the living room, but I'll share that with you in a moment. But for the kitchen area, before we even get started with decorating, we need to do some cleaning. So we are going to deep clean this kitchen. We are going to be, even though it looks clean, we're going to be washing. We're going to be doing everything, every single crevice of the kitchen, guys, just because I didn't really get a chance to do that spring cleaning. So we are going to do that in today's video. But before we do any of that, I'm going to go ahead, grab my vitamins. I'm probably going to fix some breakfast for the family and we're going to make a cup of coffee. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump into today's video.
lips I wonder, but in your eyes I see no pain. You're a holiday, a break from the rain, sipping your sunshine, come take me away. In the water, finally I can breathe again. You're a dream, 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 standing in your presence, carry me away, honey. A dream, 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 make me lose my senses, carry me away, away. A dream, 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 come take me away. I see a new horizon, my 2 feet steady on the ground. With you I found my reason, yeah, to keep chasing what we found. You're a holiday, a break from the rain, sipping your sunshine, come take me away. New horizon, finally I can see again. You're a dream, 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 standing in your presence, carry me away, honey. A dream, 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 make me lose my senses, carry me away, away. Dream, 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 take me away. Dream, 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 standing in your presence, carry me away, honey. A dream, 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 make me lose my senses, carry me away, away. A dream, 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 come take me away. My head above the water, finally I can breathe again.
Alright guys, let's go ahead and get this floor clean. So this portion of the video is being sponsored by the Levoit brand. They reached out and sent me over one of their cordless vacuum cleaners. So today we're going to put it to the test and see how well it performs in my kitchen. So let's go ahead, get it unboxed and set it up. Right away, everything is packaged very neatly and organized, which I always appreciate. All of the components are clearly laid out, making the setup process simple and straightforward. So now I'm going to go ahead and just finish assembling everything here, so that way when we start cleaning the floor area, we can see how effective this vacuum cleaner is. And these are just the instructions here, so love that. We're going to go ahead and start with the open area. As you can see how smoothly it glides and how easy it is picking up everything. It feels lightweight and easy to maneuver, which makes it perfect for everyday cleaning. I'm also going to switch out the attachments just so that I can get in those tighter areas, especially along the edges and corners where things tend to build up. And of course, I had to go behind the stove, one of those areas that can be hard to reach, but this makes it much more easy to get to and thoroughly clean. I also love that it features an anti-hair wrap design, which is especially helpful for in-home pets. It picks up hair efficiently without getting tangled, making cleanup a lot more manageable. Another great feature is how versatile the vacuum is. With different attachments, you can easily clean multiple surfaces throughout your home, not just your floors. It also has a self-standing design, so if you need to pause while cleaning, you can simply stand it up and lean it over and it'll be just fine. Overall, it really simplifies the cleaning process and makes it feel a lot more efficient, especially when you're doing a reset like this. If you're interested, I'll have everything linked down in the description box below so you can check it out. Now that we have everything nice and clean, oh, and let's not forget the one touch button. Absolutely love that. But now that we have everything nice and clean, let's go ahead and style. So what we're about to do right now is do a quick haul of what we're going to be putting out in the kitchen. Everything else that we add into the space, I have shown it in prior videos, so you'll just see those as I style. The majority of this came from TJ Maxx, with the exception of one item, it did come from HomeGoods. So we're gonna go ahead, jump right into all the beautiful spring decor that we are gonna be styling in the kitchen. All right, guys, so the first item that I want to share with you are these beautiful flowers. You do get 4 in a pack. They both retail for $12.99. I wanted to try to find a third one, but I couldn't. But we're going to take what we can get, and we're going to be styling these on the island here. The next item is this beautiful bunny that I got from TJ Maxx as well. I absolutely love this. It reminds me of the one that we styled on the credenza. It is a little bit different. The texture is different. The styling is different. And this did retail for $14.99. All right, so the next items. Oh, and I did get an item from Ross that I'm going to be styling. But we're going to stick with TJ Maxx until we're all the way done. So I did pick up 2 candles. Now this candle here, it smells divine. It smells so good. This is Blackberry Lily, and this is what it looks like close up. It did retail for $14.99. It has like this beautiful light pink tint to it. It does have blackberries, red currant, blooming lily blossom, hints of raspberry flowers, sweet fuchsia, pink jasmine, completed by an amber red vanilla. This is by DW Home. And guys, when I say it smells so good, it smells so good. So we're going to be styling this as well on the island. So I do have another candle that I want to share with you. Now this jar has like a light pink tint to it as well, but I couldn't decide at the time which one I wanted. I wanted both because they smell so good. This one by far is my favorite, but I wanted a larger size. They didn't have it. This is the only size that TJ Maxx had, and this was $7.99. As you can see, that beautiful light pink color. Also picked up a few mugs because we're going to be changing out the mug area with some spring mugs. So guys, I wanted to get some type of color. I really tried. I just couldn't. So these mugs are cream, but they have this beautiful flowers engraved in it. So beautiful. I'm gonna let you see what it looks like up close. See that? And it did retail for $6.99. So yeah, not going to show you all of them, but I did get 3. We're only going to style 3 on the mug area once we get to that area. So I got these here, and I also picked up a beautiful picture frame, guys. Now this right here, I've never went this large in my kitchen, but when I saw this picture, I instantly knew that this is what I needed in the kitchen. And guys, when I tell you, when you see the vision and when you see it come together, if you see it, go get it from your local TJ Maxx. Absolutely gorgeous. We're going to style it on the counter. Yes, and the gold trim really adds that elevated look to it, guys. I'm telling you, a pop of gold will definitely take your space to the next level. And again, I got this from TJ Maxx. Y'all, so I'm trying to kind of stay with TJ Maxx before we go to another store. So the next item that I want to share with you is this beautiful gold lamp, guys. How gorgeous is this lamp? I love the cream up top. It fits nicely with the style. It really elevates the space and it really just makes it look that much more. And the best thing about this lamp is that it's rechargeable. So I don't have to have any cords like I did with the other one. I think I got the other lamp that I took out from at home store a while ago. I've had it for a while, but this right here, it's gonna really, really pop in the space. And this did retail for $19.99. And so that was everything that I wanted to show you from TJ Maxx. So we're going to move right along. I only got one thing from Ross, which some wooden spoons and spatulas. So the ones that I have, they were like a light tan color, and I wanted a darker wood. And guys, this is going to look so good in the gray pot that I use to style my utensils in. But guys, absolutely gorgeous. This is going to really bring that texture, that warmth back into the space. And then the last thing that I want to show you that we are going to be styling, and when I think about it, I think I did show this to you. This is from HomeGoods, and this is just a beautiful cream marble cake dish. Any type of food you want to put in here, you can. Cake, donuts, cookies, whatever. So we're going to be putting cookies in here and styling it on the counter. So that is all that I wanted to show you before we got into styling. So now we're going to go ahead and start decorating this space, guys. I'm so excited. This is what we've all waited for, and I'm super excited to see how this is going to turn out. So let's go ahead and style the kitchen for spring 2026.
Is a four-letter word. Trust yourself and you get hurt. Tell yourself it's so absurd. Four-letter words, four-letter words. I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited. Get struck by lightning. Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah. Gravity at its limit, at its limit. Do you feel it? Got erased. Well, I'm not plugged in anyway, yeah. 'Cause it's a maze every day. I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited. Did you get struck by lightning? Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah. Gravity at its limit, at its limit. Do you feel it? Like.
Alright guys, so this is the end of today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed decorating with me for spring 2026. I absolutely love the way my kitchen turned out. It's light, it's airy, it also feels so elevated. The gold really tied everything together, the cream, and just bringing back in that airy feel in the space. Guys, I absolutely love it. So what we're going to be doing in the next video, we are going to be decorating my primary bedroom for spring 2026. We're also going to be going out of town, taking the kids on a spring break as well, but I'll show you moments of that as well. But guys, I'm so excited to show you what we're going to be doing in the primary bedroom. So make sure you are tuned in next Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Also, I did promise you guys earlier at the start of the video that I had an update that I wanted to share with you regarding the living room space. So I am finally going to be changing out my sectional. We're going to be getting something a little bit more modern, which was definitely inspired by Pottery Barn and West Elm when we went to Atlanta this past weekend. So stay tuned for that. That is going to be coming up a little bit later, but not too much later. So super excited to bring you the updates and to style the primary bedroom with you. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.